Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Flex 3401 Dual Action Polisher. The Flex 3401 Dual Action Polisher is the ultimate auto detailing paint correction machine that will save you time and money while delivering professional quality results every time. The difference between the Flex 3401 Dual Action Polisher and the traditional rotary buffers is that the Flex 3401 has a forced circular motion as well as an oscillating pattern, meaning the pad will not only rotate, but it will also jiggle back and forth, cutting down on heat, allowing more flexibility for your paint correction. With the Flex 3401, the random oscillation of the pad delivers an exceptionally long throw of 8 millimeters. The forced circular pad rotation paired with the long throw of the oscillations mean you'll have more cutting power without having to worry about buffer swirls or holograms. The Flex 3401 offers 6 speed settings, maxing out at 480 RPM and 9,600 orbits per minute. You'll be able to compound, polish, and seal all with one machine. The included 5.5-inch backing plate will support up to 7.5-inch pads. We recommend between 6.5 and 7.5-inch pads when using the Flex 3401 with its standard backing plate. With all that power packed into this machine, the people over at Flex wanted to make sure it withstood the test of time. With auto shut-off carbon brushes, the motor will automatically shut off when they wear down to prevent damage. So there you have it guys. As you can see, the Flex 3401 is a great tool. It can do just about any job. For any more information on the Flex 3401 or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a detail king. We'll see you guys next time.